Hey, what's up guys? In this video I want to talk about 10 things that Samsung Galaxy Fit 2 does better than Mi Band 6 and how it impacts your everyday use. So let's get into it straight away. And the first thing that I want to talk about is the quick panel settings in Galaxy Fit 2. So if you swipe down the watch face, you will get to this quick settings panel. So things like brightness, do not disturb, music controls, it's all here and you can toggle them on or off really quickly. On Mi Band 6, sadly we don't have any such quick settings, so we need to dig through these menus. We can go in more and find them here, or if not here we can go in settings and find them here. So it's a bit of a hassle on Mi Band 6 because these are the settings that you want to toggle on or off very quickly. You don't want to dig through these menus every time you want to turn on or off a setting. Now on Galaxy Fit 2 you can also actually edit this quick panel, and you can do that from the Galaxy Wear app. Just go in here, look for advanced, and here you will find edit quick panel. Go in here and here you can change their order. You can add or remove them and save them. Moving on, the next feature that I want to mention here is the good night mode on Galaxy Fit 2 and how robustly it has been applied. So if you swipe down, you will find this good night mode option and you can turn it on from here, and once it's on, it will be applied. Now to learn more about this and how it has been implemented on Galaxy Fit 2 as compared to Mi Band 6, we need to go and look in their apps on the phone. So if I go in the Galaxy Wear app on my phone and go in advanced, here you will find good night mode. So if I go in here, you can read about it. You can turn it on from here as well from the app, and here you can also select the turn on daily mode, which is a good night mode will be turned on and off automatically based on your sleep patterns but not scheduled. So that's the difference here. Now you can read about the good night mode on Galaxy Fit 2 here. So everything that it does, so it will prevent disturbances while you're sleeping. It won't light up or vibrate for alerts except for the alarms, and wake up gestures will be off as well, and the screen will be dimmed. So this is what it does on Galaxy Fit 2. Now if I go ahead and look at the Mi Band 6, here we can go in the band settings in the Mi Fit app and go in night mode, and here what the night mode does is that it will reduce the screen brightness, and you can only schedule it. There is no way to turn it on or off manually. You can only schedule it. It has been implemented in a much better way on Galaxy Fit 2 as compared to Mi Band 6, and I think it's something that Mi Band 6 can definitely borrow from Galaxy Fit 2. Next up, I want to talk about how quickly you can sync the watch faces on these bands from their respective apps. So let's talk about Galaxy Fit 2 first. And if we go in Galaxy Wear app, go in watch faces, and here just watch how quickly it syncs up the watch face. So there you go, it's instant. There is no delay at all between me being selecting the watch face on the app and it being implemented on the band. Look how quick and instant it is. Now I want to show you how it's done on Mi Band 6, and you will see for yourself that it can be implemented in a better way here. So let's say we want to change the watch face now, and I will select one of them. So let's say I want to select this one. I want this watch face on my band, and I will sync watch face, and it will download it first, and then it will ask you to remove one of them because you can store up to 6 watch faces on the band itself. So I will select this one, press OK, and now it will take its sweet time syncing up with the band. It was instant on Galaxy Fit 2, but it will take its time on Mi Band 6. So there you go. That's how long it will take to sync a watch face with your Mi Band 6. Anyways, moving along, now I want to discuss the notification controls on these two bands. So let's talk about Galaxy Fit 2 first. If we go in Galaxy Wear app, go in notifications, and here you will see all these controls. So you can select show only while wearing. So your notifications will show only while you're wearing the band. Show while using phone, so I've turned this option off because if I'm using the phone, I don't want to see the notification on my band. And then turn on for new apps. So this is the one that I've turned on because if I download a new app, I want its notifications on my band by default. And if we select see all notification settings, then we get to a couple more. So show with details and turn on screen. So I have them both turned off because I don't want the notifications to show detail on my band or on my watch, and I don't want them to turn on the screen every time I get a notification on my band. So you have all of these granular controls in Galaxy Fit 2, and you can toggle them on or off manually. Now let's take a look at the notification controls on Mi Band 6, and if we go in Mi Band 6 settings, go in notification and reminders, and here go in app alerts. There is just one additional setting here, only receive when the screen is off, so you can toggle it on or off. And then we have incoming call alerts, where you can turn on to show contact information, or you can delay the alerts, because if you have the phone in your hand, you don't want the notification necessarily on the band. So these are the only controls that you get with regard to notifications on Mi Band 6, and I think Xiaomi can do better in this regard. Next up, I'm going to talk about the number of activities that you can track on these two bands. On Mi Band 6, you have 30 activities that you can track, and you can actually take a look at these activities from the band itself. So if we go in workout, you can take a look at some of the main ones, and then go in more and take a look at all the 30 activities. On Galaxy Fit 2, although you can have up to only 10 workouts on the band itself, but the number of activities that it can track is a lot more. So it can track approximately 100 activities, and that is a lot more as compared to Mi Band 6. So you can have up to 10 here, and then the remaining of them you can take a look at on your phone. So there you go, and here you can go in add or remove exercises, and here you can see all of these activities, and there is everything, almost everything here that you want to track, you will find it here. Now on Galaxy Fit 2, if you go back, you will see this workout detection mode. So this is automatic workout detection, where your band detects that you're working out, and it will start tracking it even if you have not started tracking your activity. So you can go in here, you can then select which activities you want your band to detect automatically, and that includes running, walking, elliptical trainer, rowing machine, dynamic workouts. You can also turn on the detect location mode, so your band will do that as well. Now as compared to Galaxy Fit 2, we also have activity detection on Mi Band 6, and for that we have to go in settings, go in detect activity, and here you can choose which activities you want your Mi Band 6 to detect. But there is a difference in the way that this feature is implemented in these two bands. On Galaxy Fit 2, within minutes of starting your workout, the band will detect your activity and it will start tracking it, and you will have your data from the start of your workout. On the other hand, Mi Band 6 takes a lot of time to detect your activity, and once it detects that you're working out, it will then ask you which activity you're doing, and if you don't interact with that prompt, your activity tracking will be lost. You will not have that data saved. So there's a huge difference in the way that this feature is implemented between these two bands, and I personally find it to be much better on Galaxy Fit 2 as compared to Mi Band 6. Moving along, on Samsung Galaxy Fit 2, there is another feature that is not available on Mi Band 6, and it's a very handy feature. So if I swipe down, go in quick settings, and here I will find this feature called water lock mode, and if I turn it on, it will lock the screen and I will not be able to interact with the screen at all. So this is a very handy feature if you're taking your band swimming or you are showering with your band. The water will not interact with the screen and will not turn on any feature that you don't want it to. And you can turn this feature off by simply tapping on this button and then swiping up and then down. On the other hand, Mi Band 6 has no such feature on board. So if you are swimming with it or you're showering with this band on, you will find out that your screen is interacting with water, and you will find yourself sometimes in settings menu or sometimes somewhere else. It will not be on the watch face, and I have experienced this myself firsthand. So that's a problem, and I think Mi Band 6 can take on this feature from Galaxy Fit 2 as well. Alright, now next up I want to talk about the screen timeout feature, and it's a very irritating one on Mi Band 6, because if you go in settings and then go in this feature auto screen off, the maximum screen timeout that you can have is 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds the screen will turn off. So this is very irritating and frustrating sometimes, because I'm looking at the band and I'm doing something and then I get distracted and I come back and the screen is off and I have to tap on it again, or move my wrist again to turn the screen back on. So very frustrating. Now as compared to this, on Samsung Galaxy Fit 2 it has been implemented again in a much better way, but you can control it from the Galaxy Wear app. So here we need to go in display settings, and here you can change the screen timeout, and you can go from 4 seconds all the way up to 5 minutes, and that is much better as compared to what we have on Mi Band 6. Next up, another very handy feature that is present on Galaxy Fit 2 but is absent from Mi Band 6 is Bluetooth disconnection alerts. So the best application of this feature is that if you have forgotten your phone somewhere, or if you have lost your phone somewhere, before you know it that you have lost your phone and you go away and then you have to come back, you will know that your band has disconnected, so that means you're out of range from your phone. So you need to start looking for your phone. To turn this feature on, we need to go once again in Galaxy Wearable app, go in advanced, and here you will see this option, get Bluetooth disconnection alerts, and you can turn it on from here. So let's try it out. I will turn off the Bluetooth, and the instant that happens, the band vibrates and you will see this icon at the top, which means your band is not connected to your phone anymore. And I would really like to have this feature on Mi Band 6 as well, because it's a very handy, very useful feature. Moving along, the next feature that I want to talk about is the notification indicator on Galaxy Fit 2. So right now I have a notification and I know it because it shows up on the screen on the watch face of Galaxy Fit 2. But there is no such feature available for Mi Band 6. So if you have a notification, you will not know unless you go looking for it. So the way you can turn this feature on your Galaxy Fit 2 is by going again in your Galaxy Wear app, go in watch faces, go in watch face settings, and here you will see notification indicator. You can turn it on from here. So by default it's turned on. And then there is another really important feature here called show status, and you can turn this feature on as well. So what it will do is that if you have a good night mode, it will show up on the watch face like this. If you have do not disturb feature on, it will show up like this. So let's try this feature out. So if we go in and turn on the good night mode and go back, it will show up here, the icon will show up here. And if we turn on do not disturb mode, it will show up here as well. If you have a background workout activity going on, that will show up here as well. So it's a very handy feature to know what's happening on your band in the background. And finally, the last thing that Mi Band 6 can borrow from Galaxy Fit 2 is the quick replies feature in notifications. So if I swipe here and I see a notification here, I can go all the way up, and then down here I can see quick replies and I can reply to this message. So it's a tweet, but if you have a message, you can reply with these quick replies. On Mi Band 6 we don't have any such feature. So this is a message here, but there is no way to quick reply to this message. So that's about it from this video, guys. These were the 10 features that I think that Mi Band 6 can borrow from Galaxy Fit 2, or Galaxy Fit 2 does better than Mi Band 6. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you have learned something here and it helps you in your buying decision, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.